Hey everybody, it's Jim from OMG. It's time to do a sauerkraut update. I checked on it this morning. It tastes just the way I want it. It's not super sour. It's just good and sour, if you know what I mean. The texture is crispy still a little bit, and that's the way I like it. So, but you could let this go a little longer and it will soften up more. But this is the way I enjoy it. So we're going to I'm going to get the stuff out of here, the weight and the leaves, and I'm going to put it in jars today. And when I get it in the jars, we're simply going to clean off the lids or clean off the tops and put the lids on and put it in our refrigerator. Now, you can take this sauerkraut and you can do a raw pack or a, what's it called, Joe? Is it
hot water bath?
Hot water bath. And but what happens there is it kills all the probiotics when that happens. So, and we want to keep those. So we're going to just put it in the refrigerator and it should keep about a year for you. Okay, so here I go. First I'm going to dig the weights out of here. Just going to put it right there for now. And I want to say this stuff turned out amazing. It really is nice.
You're going to tell them you had a bowl for it for breakfast?
I did. I had a bowl for breakfast.
That was your pre-breakfast.
It was a pre-breakfast. Actually, we had biscuits and gravy at
noon.
But these big leaves I laid on top, and it helped keep the little pieces from floating up when you put the weights on. Anyway, oh man, this stuff smells good. I want to have some right now. Okay, I'm going to start putting this together. Oh, jeez. I know you want some right now.
It does smell good. That's a big bite.
Mm.
Let me taste. It's real crunchy.
It's good, ain't it?
I like crunchy.
My dad used to make it in the jar. There's a way you can make sauerkraut right in the jar. And this reminds me of the way he used to do it a whole lot. The flavor, the texture.
I can see you eating a whole jar of this.
I could eat a whole jar right now, and I just finished breakfast. Okay guys, we got 13 quarts and almost a half a pint. And if you remember from the first video, we started out with 25 pounds of cabbage. So it figures out to just a little less than 2 pounds of cabbage per quart. Is that right? Yeah. Anyway, So I wanted to show you this, wanted to give you an update. We'll leave a link below on the first video we put out of putting the sauerkraut together. And I'm gonna go eat my little pint of sauerkraut. So thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you later.